GMAT challenge number 17. A rectangular garden is to be twice as long as it is wide if 360 yards of fencing, including the gate, will completely enclose the garden. What will be the length of the garden in yards? This is typical geometry question. First of all, I will definitely do a drawing of a garden. We know that it's a rectangle, so just do a rectangle. And then I'm gonna mark length and width with L and W. Now let's look at the question again. This rectangular garden is to be twice as long as it is wide. So that basically suggests the length is 2 times the width. The length is 2 times the width. Okay? If 360 yards of fencing will completely enclose the garden. So that basically tells you the perimeter of the garden, which is the total distance around the garden. So you know that, let's mark this as L, mark this as W. So if you add all these 4 sides, it gives you 360. So 2 times L plus 2 times W give you 360. That's basically what it says. And of course, I could divide both sides of this equation by 2. So get L plus W is simply 180. Simply 180. And now let's just look at these 2 equations. L is 2 times W, and then L plus W is 180. I think you don't even need to calculate, and then you should be realizing that L is actually 120. If you do want to calculate, all you need to do is plug in the expression of L into this equation. So you have replace L with 2W plus W, you get 180. So 3W is 180. That basically suggests that the width is 60. And because length is twice as much as the width, 60 times 2 is 120, and that's the length. And the answer is A120. Questions like this, they're pretty easy. To help understanding the question and also summarizing the information, a sketch of the diagram is strongly recommended. Also, watch out for which quantity that they're asking. Are they asking you the length or the width? So make sure you're answering the correct one. Alright, that's it for today's challenge. I will see you in our next challenge. Bye bye.